Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back to the second part of Chapter 1 review. We're starting on page 58. Start working on number 11 through 20 in your notebook. Do your best and do not be sloppy. Pause this lesson while you're working. When you're ready to check your work, grab a different color pen or pencil and play the lesson. Number 11. For numbers 11a through 11d, select true or false for each sentence. 11a. The value of 7 in 3. Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back to the second part of Chapter 1 review. We're starting on page 58, and we are going to work on number 11 through 20 today. Grab your notebook, because you will need to do your work in your notebook. Do not be sloppy and do your best. Pause this lesson while you're working on numbers 11 through 20. And when you're ready to check your work, grab a different color pen or pencil and play the lesson. 11. For numbers 11a through 11d, select true or false for each sentence. 11a. The value of 7 in 375,092 is 7,000. This is false. The value of 7 is 70,000, not 7,000. 11b. The value of 5 in 427,593 is 500. This is true. 11c. The value of 2 in 749,021 is 200. This is incorrect. The value of 2 is 20. Not 200. 11d. The value of 4 in 842,063 is 40,000. This is a true statement. Number 12. Select another way to show 403,871. Mark all that apply. I have selected 3. C. 403,871 because this is expressed in the word form. E. 400,000 plus 3,000 plus 800 plus 70 plus 1, as this is expressed in the expanded form. And also F. 400,000 plus 3,000 plus 800 plus 7 tenths plus 1. So the correct answer for number 12 will be C, E, and F. Number 13. Lexi, Susie, and Ryle are playing an online word game. Ryle scores 100,034 points. Lexi scores 9,348 fewer points than Ryle, and Susie scores 9,749 more points than Lexi. What is Susie's score? So the answer will be 100,435 points. The first thing that I will need to do is 100,034 minus 9,348. I am taking Ryle's score, subtracting Lexi's score, which is giving me 90,686. Then I am going to take 90,686, adding it 9,749, which is the score for Susie. My final answer is 100,435. Number 14. There were 13,501 visitors to a museum in June. What is this number rounded to the nearest 10,000? Explain how you round it. The number 10,000, the value of it is 1. So I am going to go and underline 1. Then I am going to circle the number that is to the right, which is 3. I take a look at 3. Is it 5 or above? No, it is not. Therefore, I need to bring the numbers down, giving me 10,000. Number 15. New Mexico has an area of 121,298 square miles. California has an area of 155,779 square miles. How much greater is the area in square miles of California than the area of New Mexico? Show your work and explain how you know the answer is reasonable. The answer is 34,481. I took 155,779, which is the area for California, subtracting 121,298, which is the area for New Mexico, giving me 34,481. Number 16. Circle the choice that completes the statement. 10,000 less than 24,576 is 10,000 less than 14,576. For this statement, it will be greater than. Because if I do 10,000 less than 24,576, it's going to give me 14,576. Remember, the word less than means subtraction. 1,000 less than 14,576 will give me 13,576. If I compare the new numbers, which is 14,576, comparing it to 13,576, 14,576 is still greater than 13,576. Number 17. Match the numbers to the value of its 5. So let's start from the first number on the left, which is 45,678. The value of 5 is in the thousands place. Second number, 757,234. The value of 5 is in the 10,000s place. Third number, 13,564. The value of 5 is in the hundreds place, which is 500. The last number, 3,450. The value of 5 is in the tens place, which is 50. Number 18. During September and October, a total of 825,150 visitors went to Grand Canyon National Park. If 448,925 visitors went to the park in the September, how many visitors went to the park in October? Show your work. My answer is 376,225 people. What I will need to do is take the total number, which is 825,150, and I will need to subtract 448,925, because that is the amount of people that visited in September. When I subtract the two, I get 376,225, which I know is the amount of people visited in October. 19. A college baseball team had 3 games in April. Game 1 had an attendance of 14,753 people. Game 2 had an attendance of 20,320 people. Game 3 had an attendance of 14,505 people. Write the games in order from the least attendance to the greatest attendance. Use pictures, words, or numbers to show how you know. Least to greatest, I go from 14,505, then 14,753, then 20,322. I know that 14,505 is less than 14,753. And I know because the value is largest for 20,320 that I will have to put this number as the largest number, putting 14,505 as the smallest number. Last one, number 20. Caden made a 4-digit number with a 5 in the thousands place, a 5 in ones place, 6 in the tens place, and a 4 in a hundreds place. What was the number? 5,465. Boys and girls, it is easier if I put slashes on the bottom and start filling in the numbers as you hear the place values. First number I heard was 5 in the thousands place, so I went and filled in the thousands place. Then the next question said, it says 5 in ones place, so I put it in the ones place. 6 in the tens place, putting 6 in the tens place. 4 in the hundreds, 4 in the hundreds, giving me 5,465. How did everybody do? I hope you guys had a great time today. Make sure to stand up, stretch, and go back to your work when you're ready. Have a great day, you guys, and I will see you tomorrow.